Welcome back to my channel, Yummy Bites by Sunita. Hi, I'm Sunita from Yummy Bites. I'm a housewife, food blogger, and a baker. Today's video is not related to baking or cooking, but instead, what does my life look every day? So it's morning 4 a.m. I wake up every single day at this time so I can prepare breakfast as both of my kids go to school early in the morning. Schools are quite early over here and my husband has to go for office, so the breakfast has to get ready. By 5:30 I have to serve the breakfast on the table. So I would like to show what I made for today's breakfast, and with that I will also be making my kids' tiffin. Let me show what I'm preparing for them. So today I am making idli and chutney for breakfast. For my kids' tiffin I am making chicken Frankie, and I hope they both love this. Good morning. So we are ready for the school. Little late. I have to drive carefully. Nicole, are you ready?
Yes.
Is your tiffin box ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. So I've dropped my daughter to her school, and it's now only 7:30 a.m. and I'm going to finish my breakfast and I'm going to start my household work like cooking and everything. Then I'm going to head back to grocery. Let me show you what I do. Finally, I finished cooking. Today's special is rice, fish curry, vegetable, fish fry, and lady finger vegetable dry. I fried it. So I'm heading for grocery for buying my routine kitchen grocery like vegetable, fish, chicken, mutton, and all the day-to-days whatever necessities. I keep buying it once a week. It's the end of my shopping. All done. Grocery full. Only fish I could not take it, that I'll take from Indian supermarket because there's too much of crowd over here in this supermarket. So let's go for billing. So guys, finally I reached school and I got the parking just near to the gate. Today's my lucky day. And it's extremely hot. It must be 40-45 degree. What I have done is I always cover my car everywhere entirely, so the sun doesn't the sun doesn't come inside, and when my Nicole comes she won't feel this car that hot. So I like to show her school. Let's begin. Finally we are reaching home after this hot summer. So now it's 4 p.m. I have come to Al Arab International Academy where my daughter is learning gymnastics. It's a passion. I see her every day doing numerous exercises. It's really fun to watch her growing in a beautiful way. I also upload what all exercises they learn in the class. It's really nice to watch doing different exercises. So the class got over and we are heading back home where I'll be making evening snacks. Busy schedule finally got over. So I'm making raw banana fritters for the evening snacks. I've mixed up all the spices and chickpea flour, and here raw banana I've cut, and I'm going to make a paste. Now the kids are having a playtime relaxation with their friends, with their neighbor kids. It's night 7:30 and the dinner is getting ready. So my video has come to my end. This is my day schedule almost every other day, and I think all the moms are superheroes. Just kidding. Having my tea before I go to bed. I will come up with my next vlog with something different, and I hope you like today's video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time.